Hello everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at how to calculate standard deviation and variance in Excel. We have here the x variable, that is marks of 10 students. The first step is to calculate the average. We can do that by this formula. Average, open bracket, select all the x values and close the bracket and press enter. Now that we calculated average, the next step is to find the deviation from the mean, which is x minus x bar. To do that, we can use the formula equal to click on the first x values minus average, which is 58.7. Now remember to include the dollar before and after the A to pin down the average value. Now drag the x minus x bar value, then we going to calculate x minus x bar whole square. We can do that by this formula equal to click on the first x minus x bar value into asterisk. We can find the symbol by pressing shift and 8 together and click on the same x minus x bar value. It will give us the first x minus x bar whole square value. Now drag this value down to the other x values. This will give us the values of the square deviations. Now we need to total this value so that we can get sum of square differences. For that we just use the formula equal to sum, open bracket, select all the x minus x bar whole square value and close bracket, press enter. Now that we are calculated the sum of square differences and also called as sum of square deviation, we are going to calculate the variance. The variance is the mean of square deviation. To calculate the variance, we need to divide the sum of square differences by number of students. So we can do that by using this formula equal to click on the sum of square differences divided by 10, which is the number of students. Now that we can calculate that variance, we can easily find the value of standard deviation by simplifying the square root of variance. So the formula for this SQRT, open bracket, click on the variance, close bracket and press enter. This gives us 24.1911141, which is the value of standard deviation. This is how we calculated the standard deviation step by step in Excel. Now let me tell you how to do that with one simple Excel formula. First of all, we all have here the x values, which are the marks of 10 students. The formula to calculate standard deviation using one Excel formula is this equal to stdev.p. Dot P represents the population standard deviation. Now click open bracket, select all the x values, close bracket and press enter. This will give us 24.1911 standard deviation, exactly like how we are calculated earlier. This is how we calculated standard deviation step by step by calculation method or using the simple Excel